Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw little twin stars from Sanrio. So let's get started. To draw these cute twins, let's first start by drawing Lala the girl. So I'm going to come right here and basically draw the bottom of a U, but very shallow. So I'm just going to come here with a curve, come right across. So shallow and short and wide. And then I'm just going to go ahead and connect it at the bottom. And about right here, center, and go right back up. So there, nice and shallow. And then from there, we're going to come inside right here to where we started on the edge. I'm going to draw a circle for an eye. And same thing on the other side, about right here, same thing. There, so now I'm 2 circles in. Let's make, since I'm drawing kind of big, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come here with 2 small circles for highlights. But if you're drawing small, you can just put 1 highlight. And a curve at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There, and then let's come in between the eyes. So about right here, I'm just going to draw a sweet smile. So about right here, just a little curve and cap it off. Aww. And since these are my draw so cute eyes, I'm just going to come here with Lala here and just give her a little lash right there. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come to the sides right here and we're going to draw an ear. And right here as well. And then we're going to come to the top. So let's find our center. We're going to draw these curves for her bangs. So I'm going to come to the center, say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point. From there, I'm just going to come down. And I'm going to keep coming down until I come to that point. And draw 3 curves right there. So same thing over here. And then we're going to start to come down. And 1 more. And then now we framed her face on the top. Then let's go ahead. We're just going to come out a little bit, come where her ears are, come out, say about right here. And same thing about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and draw her the top of her head. So it's nice and round and tall. So take a look back how tall you want it. So I'm just going to find my center, say about right here. I'll just give myself a point so I know where I'm going. Just makes it a little bit easier for me to see since I'm drawing pretty big. And then I'm going to bring this down. If you're using a pencil, just finish this curve all the way back to here. But I'll stop about right here and I'm going to pop out these 2 curves for her hair. Come right back in and then continue my way down. From there, let's go ahead and draw her body before we finish the rest of her hair. So I'm going to come right here in the center, give myself a curve for her neckline, and then about here and here, nicely centered, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve that flares out for her dress. So I'm going to bring this out. Let's take a look how long you want to bring it, how big you want their bodies to be. But I'm going to flare it out and about right there. Now that I'm pretty even on both sides, I'm going to go ahead and round it off and connect with a curve. There. So I have her dress in, and then since I'm down here, I'm going to go ahead, find my center, so say about right here, and then I'm going to draw this little curve for her toe, flatten it out, and then tuck it in. So same thing here. Curve, come out, flatten out, and then curve in for their little feet. So cute, right? And then let's see here. Let's draw this hand since we're here. And I'm going to come down with a curve to about right there. Bring it in. And then on this hand, I'm going to have her holding a wand. So I'm going to come right here and draw a thumb, and then the fingers. So right here, it's kind of like this little oval. And you put two little lines right here and connect. And then in here, I'm going to draw the wand. So let's tuck the wand in here. Right in there, and then we're going to draw a star. Round it off towards the center, and one more. There. That's my angle. Okay, so she's holding the star on that side, and so then let's draw Kiki here now, and we want to put him really close to her. So I'm going to find the same spot. I'm going to come out from right here, and I'm going to come out, say about right here, just enough room for his head and his hair. So I'll just say about right here. I'll give myself a point, and then basically I'm going to draw the same thing. And I just want to make sure I'm about the same level, so I'll just give myself a point about right there. And I'm going to go ahead and curve down. Just make sure I'm about the same spot as the other side. Come across nice and wide, so say about right here. However it is easiest for you to draw this curve. But you wanted this approximately the same as Lala here. I'm always getting their names mixed up. Okay, so then from there we're going to do the same thing. Let's come to the sides right here, and we're going to draw so cute eyes. So two circles, and here as well. And let's make them draw so cute eyes. So two small circles inside for highlights, and curve line at the bottom. So everything on Kiki here will be the same for the face, almost. Okay, now I have eyes in, let's go ahead and draw a mouth. So about right here, let's draw a curve and cap it off. And let's draw the same thing. Let's come here and draw ear, and here. And once again, find our center. So approximately, let's say about right here. And draw curves coming down. There. And with Kiki here, I'm just going to draw a little brow on the top. Why not, right? It's my Draw So Cute. Draw So Cute version. Same thing here with Lala. There. Okay, so then from there, same thing. We're going to go ahead and draw his head. So nice and high. So let's say about right here. We're going to go around. And for him, let's see, let's find our center. So high, same height. Let's say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. But with him right here, we're going to pop out that little tuft of hair again. So two little curves, and then continue our curve all the way up. And then come right back down. Nice and round and high. There. Okay, finally we got his head in. Okay, so then we're going to draw his body as well. So curve right here for a neckline, and same thing. So with Kiki, I'm just going to make his a little bit straighter. I'm going to bring this down, just like Lala, to the same level. And about right there, go ahead and connect the curve. And same thing for the feet. So bring this down, so center about right here. Little curve for a toe, straighten out and out. There. And then the hands. So let's work on this side since it's much easier. We're just going to bring this down, curve it down into the right there, connect, and then a little hand. So with the hands right here, to connect them, if you're much closer, then the angle of the hand would just be a little bit more downwards. If you're further, then they'll just be a little bit straighter. So don't worry too much about it. And so right here is probably my center. So I'm going to come right here and bring her hand down to, say, about right here. And I also want to make sure it's about the same as that. So about right there. And then I'm going to draw her hand, so draw a thumb and fingers, put two little lines here, and then for him, come down, so about same width, so about here, and up, and then whatever space you have left, we're just going to tuck in this curve for his hand just to simplify it. There. Okay, so then from there, let's draw her hair. So we're going to bring this down and curve it out. And bring this down and then curve out. And about right here, I'll put in a curve. And then another curve right here. So just imagine it's coming through. So about right here. Perhaps, and then about right there. There. So hopefully I've got everything right. And then I'm just going to add a heart on both of them to make them my Draw So Cute twin stars from Sanrio. And that is pretty much it. I really hope you love this drawing, that I helped you draw them fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.